Hello everyone. In our lesson number 3, using water wisely, we have finished almost all the points of the lesson. Only two small points are remain, that is last 2 points: ways to save and conserve water and storing water. Now first we'll see ways to save. कोणत्या पद्धतीने आपण पाणी वाचवू शकतो and conserve म्हणजे आहे ते पाणी साठवून ठेवू शकतो. These are the two different words here. So what we can do for this, first thing is, we means we human being, people here used here, so we have to follow this. People should help by planting more trees and preserving them to increase rainfall. आपण झाडं लावायची आणि आहेत ती झाडं वाचवून ठेवायची. डू नॉट कट द ट्रीज. सो पीपल शुड प्लांट मोर अँड मोर ट्रीज नियर द सराउंडिंग. Also preserve the trees whatever are available in the area where you live. Give water for that plants and save the trees. Waste from the factories and houses should not be thrown into water bodies and dirty them. Now what happens, we have some lakes, ponds near us. So what we do washing, then throwing wastage of all that in that lakes and ponds. So because of that, the water bodies become dirty, and when it become dirty, it gets polluted, and that polluted water is harmful for us, so we do not use them. So this is the reason why the water bodies become dirty. One more thing, industries, factories, they also throw the waste from their factories into the water bodies, and the acids present in that waste which is thrown out through the industries, that is very harmful for human being and living beings which live in the water bodies. So we should avoid this thing first. Second, third is, we should not use running water for brushing. Now रनिंग वॉटर म्हणजे आपल्या चावीला आपण पाणी चालू करतो बेसिनला वगैरे, and then we start brushing. So this should be avoided. Second thing, washing clothes and cars. Use less water for washing clothes and cars. Also use less water for watering plants. What we do, we use pipelines, and we keep the pipelines near the base of the plants and we leave it. So water is again wastage of water is there. So don't do these things. How much water is required, use only that much water for these things. Fourth is, we must regularly check taps and pipes for leakage. Now sometimes in our houses taps are leak. एखादी चावी गळत असते, टप 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 पाणी ते दिवसभर गळत राहतं, रात्रभर गळत राहतं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वॉट हॅपन, टाकीमधलं पाणी संपतं. सो अगेन वी ट्राय टू फिल इट फ्रॉम द अंडरग्राउंड वॉटर. आपण खालचं बोरचं पाणी परत वर चढवतो. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अंडरग्राउंड वॉटर इज ऑल्सो फिनिश, अँड अगेन indirectly we are using more water here. So you should check your taps whether there is leak in the taps, repair it. So this is another way we can save water. Last is, we can collect rainwater in tanks. पावसाचं पाणी आपण टँकमध्ये, ड्रममध्ये, बकेटमध्ये साठवून ठेवू शकतो. We cannot use this water for bathing, but we can use for other uses like cleaning clothes, washing cars, motors, then planting, giving water for plants. We can save this water and we can use it for after some time. So this is the way by which we can save and conserve water. Next point is storing water. Storing म्हणजे साठवून ठेवणे. Okay, people use different containers for storing water. These are made of different materials like clay, copper and plastic. People in villages still store water in earthen pots, मटका. ओके, त्याला मातीची भांडे म्हणतात. In cities, water is stored in underground and overhead tanks and in drums. Now underground टाकी असतात, दॅट इज मोस्ट पॉप्युलर नावडेज. घराच्या बाहेर जी जागा असते त्याला अंडरग्राउंड टाक्या बनवल्या जातात, अँड देअर दे सेव्ह द और स्टोअर द वॉटर. नेक्स्ट, ओव्हरहेड टँक्स. घरावरती टँक्स बांधले जातात, अँड बॅरेल्स वगैरे, ड्रम्स वगैरे पण पाणी स्टोअर करण्यासाठी वापरलं जातं. सो दीज आर द डिफरंट थिंग्स विच आर यूज फॉर स्टोरेज ऑफ वॉटर. It is important to remember that the vessel in which water is to be stored must be clean. It should always be kept covered. If we are not covered the water, what happens? The mosquitoes sit onto the water and they lay eggs, and because of that more mosquitoes are born. So to avoid this we should always cover water, and we cannot use such type of water. It is very harmful for human beings, living beings, whatever it is. So always use storage material which you can cover it properly. It should be clean and all that. So this was about the all the points given in the lesson. Now we'll see how much water we must drink in a day. The question is asked, we need to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day to stay healthy. Yes, now let's recall. Water cycle is the changing of water into water vapor and then back into water in nature. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water and snow is the solid form of water. We have studied condensation, evaporation. We have also studied different forms of water, solid, liquid and gases. Rain is the main source of water, we know that. At some places there is heavy rainfall, while at other places it is hardly rains. There is water shortage because of overpopulation and polluting of water bodies by the people. Just now we have studied that. Rainwater harvesting recharges the groundwater. Yes, it is very true, and rainwater harvesting is the most important part for recharging the underground water, म्हणजे जमिनीच्या खालचं पाणी. We should save and conserve water. So this was about the lesson. Read the lesson, all of you, and try to find out objective question answers if possible. For today we'll stop here. Thank you.